Hey, what's up, dudes? Good morning. Timothy, Comet, what's up, guys? Good morning. Let's make some freaking money. Morning, fellas. Morning. David, Oscar, Proxy. Oh, from India. Raj. Morning, guys. 80-20 gang. That's right, baby. Good morning. Oh, God. Yeah. Good morning from Vegas. Miss K. Good morning. I saw your message yesterday. What does the context look like for open? Dude, we just grinded up like 600 points. It's like the worst type of action for me. I'm trying to see if we have any repairs to the downside, but it doesn't look like it. We have like two magnets. I'd say a break of 761 and 713. Those are two magnets I can really see. Fresh Cash Friday t-shirt. That's right, baby. It's my Casio t-shirt. I'm freaking... The faster I get off on a Friday, the better. Yeah, that's right, Sherman. Short time. They're gonna drop it quick, try and get a bear trap, then probably slow grind up rest of the day. Dude, I actually totally agree with that. Like, totally agree. That's like Friday playbook. Kinetic, good morning. Nate, trades by Slade. Morning, guys. It's Friday, so I'm sizing down. I'm doing 1 to 2 minis. Again, the faster I get done with the session, the better. I think the goal will be maybe 600, 680. We had a good overnight. We're at 1889, so maybe we get that to 2500. Cover yesterday's payout. Curtis, good morning, my friend. Chris, yeah, I mean, I'm gonna try. What books are those? Discipline is Destiny. Never Split the Difference. The Godfather. And too big to fail. Oh, they're not trading books. They're just overall good books. Discipline is Destiny is good. Yes, I mean repairs are just market inefficiencies where participants couldn't enter at a previous price. That's all it is. So yeah, it should be visible on any time frame. Okay, so off open, let's see. We kind of did the move I wanted to see. I don't know why my chart is moving around like that. We already did the move I kind of wanted to see, which was a break of these lows and then kind of push back higher. Hold on, I'm gonna log out. I'm gonna log out and log back in because my chart is moving around. Okay, 30 seconds to open. Let's make some money. I'm set. It's Friday, guys, so I call them Casio Fridays. So basically, you kind of want to, get your Casio, get your base hit, and stop for the session. You don't want to ruin your freaking weekend, right? So get your win, get a couple of them, be happy with it, and close it up. We're open. Do we take 20 longs? No. Why? Because we have these lows right under. Maybe a run of those lows and then try a long. Run of like 203.5. If we don't run these lows, I can try a short. I kind of want to try a short, like right now. Too early? Yeah, maybe. There we go. There's 15 points. There's Casio number 1, baby. Oof. Beautiful. What was our entry was 61.75. I think it gave 30 points easy. Off open, this is kind of the this is kind of a setup that I look for on open. Is we have a sharp move down, we put that candle from red to green, and then instant rejection off it, I take that short. So there's Casio 1. Let's see if we get Casio 2. Casio 2. Think I'll be done for the session. God, wow. I missed it. It was like a perfect 20 long. Who took those 20 longs, boys? And girls. I know we have both. Nice. Let's go. Yeah, it was quick. It was quick. So we're going to drop these lows right now. Nice, I'll take that. Oh, trade bait's lagging a bit. There's that 3.5 long we were talking about, right? Drop of these lows. Oh, beautiful, 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 beautiful. What's up, daily day trade? Oh my goodness! I took it off way too soon. Wow, dudes, come on, we called that to the T. Let's go. Right off 3.5. So that's what I was looking for. A drop of these lows and then just squeeze higher. Wow, wow, wow. My goodness, 100. Oh man. It's okay. We're not looking for home runs today, but wow, what a trade. 100-point candle and like 150, 160, 170 point candle in no time. What's up, French futures? Oh man, guys, what a trade. I think that's good. That's solid. Great read. Again, let's go over that. Before the session even started, right? We were talking about a break of these lows into 3.5. As soon as it took it, you got freaking 160 points. I needed that home run. Yeah, for sure. Man, beautiful. Right to 80. Do you take the 80 short? The answer to that question was yes. See, that's kind of the thing about streaming, is that you have your focus in two places. Oh yeah, what a short squeeze for sure. Got your cast. You have a great weekend. You too, brother. Hell yeah, that's what Fridays are all about. Get your Casios. You don't need to stack 10 AP, right? Get your freaking Casios. Oh my god, who took the 80 short, dude? Lost payout, got it back, scrubs. You gotta stop, bro. Okayyyy, give some advice for us beginners how to not FOMO or overtrade. I think I'm doing a good job of it right now. We had 2 great trades in the morning where, you know, we took 10 points each. And, you know, there's, of course, I mean, we had probably the best read of the session together, right? Drop of these lows and then reality 180 points and then rejection off of 80, but it is what it is. Streaming and trading, the ultimate multitasking. Yeah, I know, dude. I know. It's Pine Tree. Yeah, of course you know. It's a lot harder. I mean, I would have been probably four trades in, but I only took 2. It's all good. Helps me too. Did you have some target for today, boss, on NQ? Well, we already did the move. I mean, that was perfect. We swept the lows and just squeezed out late shorts. Make sure to like the stream. Oh, that's right. Thank you for reminding me. Please, guys, leave a like. Leave a like for the stream. Use code 8020 gang if you appreciate it. If you took a win. That's my advertising for the stream. Can you go over how to set your brackets? Can you go over how to set your brackets? What, on TradeAway Mobile? Yeah, so you have this screen, right? Right here. You click this button, enable brackets. And then more trade preferences. And then you set your your point or tick, bracket, take profit, stop loss. You take all this stuff off, like you take trailing stop off. It's good. It's just I wouldn't use it for a prop account. Made 2,500 on my XFA with your calls. Let's go. Love from Brazil. I love it. Have you read the Godfather book yet? I've heard the movie is better. The book is great. I mean, the movies are great too. I'm just a fan in general. I'm assuming you mostly do market orders. There, join bid, join ask. I don't really mark it in. If it's a prop account, I don't mark it in. It gives you that little bit of edge. Where can we learn your strategy? You're here, brother. You're here. You made it. You made it to the stream. Off topic, but I want to say your energy is so welcome to the trading industry. Every trader is either a super flexing guru or a quiet, snarky dweeb. Nice to have a positive person who is passionate. Oh man, I just love trading. I love trading. I love the market. I love everything that comes with it, even on my loser days. Always 10 to 15 point target. When I'm running a mini, who's taking 20 shorts here? Do we try it? That's good enough for me. Let's go. We took those 20 shorts. Good for a Casio at least. Hell yeah. Would you say for prop it's better to do slightly bigger size and get quicker scalps rather than trying to get bigger moves with small size? Absolutely. I mean, it depends on the person, right? But for me, yeah, Answer is yes. Some props only have more than 50% props for stays less than 10 seconds. Which props to use? I use Lucid. Lucid, Take Profit Trader, Top Step. Casio off 20. Let's go, baby. More than a Casio. Gave you like 30? 40? 40 points. 40 points off that 20 short. So your risk management has to be on point or else you blow it easy. It depends, right? So that's what kind of 10-point stops do is they limit your downside. 20 to 80, perfect. Hell yeah. 80 for 8 for 15 points. Tony, you're on fire, baby. Anywhere we can read up on your strategy? Not really. I mean, it's pretty simple. There's only a couple things I really look for is these moves off of 80 and 20. Structure-based setup, so like low breaks and then instantly squeezing back higher. And then there's some levels in between. Okayyyy down for the day. Hell yeah, Tony, I love that. Sold 20 again. Oh my goodness. Bro, how can we get the 80-20 indicator? I don't have an indicator. I don't have one. So will you stream every day? I'm gonna try my best. Holy shit, what a move. But we got our target for the day. I wanted 645 or 600. We're at 2,500 on the session. Covered my payout from Lucid yesterday, up $33,000 on that account. Doesn't really matter because there's freaking payout caps. Hey bro, do you teach? I'm trying my best right now. I'm trying my best, brother. I'm a trader, but I'm trying my best to teach you guys too. Streams are gonna be, they're public streams, so every trade I took I discussed beforehand. Are you still using Alchemist Catalyst? No, I never really used it. I just had it on stream to kind of you see this big black box on the left of my screen? I kind of use it to cover that. You make it look so simple. Thanks, man. I saw you on PW. You took the information that you provided on stream, ran it through Grok over a 2-year time frame, and it hit 80 to 87% of the time. Sweet. I think my win rate's like 73% or something like that. Question. If you were to teach us to search for one thing, what would it be on a daily basis? Rejection off levels. Rejection off levels, like initial reaction off of them. Definitely. If you can take one thing from the streams is keep it simple. I don't have indicators on my chart. I don't have anything, but your brain is the biggest machine this universe has, right? It's the biggest pattern recognition machine. So just look at the charts. I know, eventually shit starts clicking. You had a bounce off 80 initially, went to 20. If you just follow the reaction, you don't want to blindly go into it, but do you have any problems? Do you have any problems with extremely fast scalps? I had problems with funding ticks before they closed with trading too fast. They wouldn't count some trades. Well, dude, those guys had like a 2-minute freaking scalp rule. I was like, hell no. I have no trades that I have go longer than like, I mean, unless I have a runner. But you guys got to see most of my trades are like super fast. Good to have you back, sub Gleams. What happened to your Bolt accounts from Funded Next? I got paid out. They closed the accounts. They closed them. For a new 50K, you still use 2 minis, or would you go down to 1 until build buffer? One of my best runs that I had on Apex was 50K accounts, 1 mini only, doing 300 a day. That was the Casio run. Like, I took out like 300,000 from those accounts, and all I did was 300 a day. Seems like you don't take every 80-20. What are you looking for before taking these levels? That's a good question. I look to see the tap, the reaction. So it taps it, the reaction off it, retests it, and that's probably when I enter short. Do you full send evals or trade them? I mean, it depends on the firm. I can't really trade. I can't full send like. Here's the thing, guys. Here's the thing. I don't know if you've noticed this, but all these companies, every single one, has been doing freaking expensive ass evals now. Long gone are the days of freaking $30 evals. So you can't even freaking full send them anymore. It gets too expensive. Does the repair always have to happen on the very next candle, or can it be candles down the line? No, it's repairs are just magnets. So, ooh, I kind of like this short. I'm down for this session. If I was to short, it would have been off that 20 tap. There's 15 points. I don't like pushing on Fridays, you know. Oh, 550 for the Casio. Hell yeah, that's a good Casio right there. Hit the like button, fellas. I really would appreciate it. If you made money. If you didn't make money, you don't have to hit anything. Can you explain why they close your accounts? I can't seem to get a straight answer. Don't they make money off of your profits? No, they do not. Unless it's like TPT. But all these companies lose money on me. I am an expense on their books. About $5 million worth of expenses. Thoughts on Top Set restricting metals? Dude, they had to. They were getting freaking rinsed. Like, whenever you see a company put very quick things into place and start raising prices, they got rinsed. Yeah. Funded accounts on Sim. I guess people are still, or I've been doing this for four years now. Almost 5. Holy shit. Companies make money off of losing traders. I mean, there's no company that makes money off their live program. Maybe Take Profit Trader, maybe. But where's your entry on the fork model? We didn't get one today. We didn't get a fork today. I think the closest thing, I mean, this is just a grind up. I guess you could call like this right here a fork, where you had capitulation move lower into a cross section right here, and then you had a low, a lower low, tested this low, didn't break it, and rallied however much, 400 points. That would probably be the only fork setup on this grind up. There, instant repair. Okay, now we kind of have. I know we're trending up for all the freaking trend lovers. I'm looking to see if we kind of put in a reverse fork pattern here to like 966, capitulation move through this high to 966, reject off of it, and maybe start putting some candles to the downside. Yeah, blowing accounts is their business. There's no freaking there's no company that makes money off of live. I mean, let's take for example Top Step. You got like, let's say a person goes live with 150K, their max. They need to make $1.5 million in profits on a 90-10 split for Top Step just to break even on them. There's that move. Let's see 966 reaction. Just ran right through it. I think this is just a trend up day. Yeah, it's just you can just blind short 80s and 20s, dude, for like 10 points each. What made you come up with 80-20? PW said you heard it before or something like that. I mean, I didn't come up with you know what I mean? Like 80s and 20s were always a thing. It's just something I noticed while I was working electrical. So years ago, I didn't have time to just be on the charts all day. So it was just something that I noticed over time as you would have these bounces. Like even this candle, like it went down, 10-minute candle went down after tap 20, went to 80 and rejected off 80. It's just simple pattern recognition, right? Did you guys make money today? Hopefully. It's Friday. Got my Friday shirt on. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's right. Hell yeah. I love to see you guys. No, I wouldn't. The first initial tap was entry short, but this is my worst type of action, is just when we're grinding up and there's only participation on one side. Yes, I did. 80-20 changing lives. I love to hear that. Thanks, Chris. Yes, and requesting payout. Riding longs, recouping losses from downside buys at open. Nice. 30 points off 80. Jesus. $50 points off 80. Like no drawdown. But this is what I talk about. It's you gotta know when, like for me personally, just based off how I trade, if I start doing these big trades on, I start putting on more size and I start taking a lot of trades on a Friday, I kind of get lost in my own self. So I try to keep it limited, keep those base hits, take the Casios. Secured payouts on Lucid. What firms do you recommend? Oh, there's so many good firms now. Lucid's great. Code 8020 gang. Take Profit Trader's great. Code 8020 gang. Top Step, just I don't know what they're doing. I mean, they're good for. They're still good. I don't know, but they're doing some crazy shit. Apex is all right. If I mean, I made a lot of money off Apex. They're a good shop. Wow, look at this move. 80 to 80. Holy smokes. I would probably wait on a discount from them first though. What's a Casio? A Casio is a base hit of 10 and 15 points. That's what a Casio is. About $300 to $500. You stack enough of them and you can buy a AP, a Rolex, whatever. I take Casios very seriously. I love my Casios. They remind me where I came from. Oh my god. 120 points off freaking 80, no drawdown, dude. Like, this is the type of day where I just want to FOMO in. I'm keeping my hands behind my back so I don't freaking touch the mouse. What time frame do you use? I use a 10-minute and 200-second chart. Today was strictly 10-minute just because of this huge move higher. There's no real point to use 200-second right now. Barely repaired this 200-second. Barely. I mean, put a little nub on it. I think it's gonna go back to 80 though. Maybe off of like a break of 44 to 43, it goes back to 80, or maybe it just doesn't now. Yeah, there you go. If you don't see me trading, there's a reason why. I mean, I'm as much as I love putting risk on and putting that huge size on, Fridays are just not the day that I do it on, so I'm okay with taking $600 off NASDAQ and 1800 from silver. Isn't there a repair at high day at 200-second chart? Nope, there is not. You see this little wick? You gotta be, you know, a repair candle is a candle with no wick. If there's a wick on it, just there was participation above price. Five-minute cross section worked. Yeah, so that's the thing. It doesn't have to be only the levels. There's more to it than that. You know, there's cross section setups, H setups, fork setups. I know it sounds funny hearing these words, but those are the names that I came up with. Wow. Sick. On 200-second, there seems to be a repair there. What level? No, there's no repair. There's a wick right there. See that? Okay, fellas, hit the like button. Use code 8020 gang. I appreciate you. Oh, 5 minute. Yeah, see, I don't use that. How did you find 10 minute, 200-second charts? 15 minute was too slow, so I moved down to 10 minute, and that was something I stuck with for a couple of years. And I was like, I need something that kind of breaks the candles down. So I was thinking, what's 1/3 of a 10-minute candle? 3 minutes not gonna cut it. So 200 seconds, 1/3. So that's how I came up with 200 seconds. I'm a little autistic. Oh my god, nice move. Okay, I can feel myself getting freaking. No, I trade mobile using my phone and my fingers. I just have it on screen so I could show the stream. Okay, I appreciate. Oh, news drop. Oh, I love this remix. When we have a candle like this that open inside the body, usually it reverses back. At least on this candle, at least on this 10. Usually it reverses back to clean that up. But again, you know, I'm kind of bearish, but I also don't want to get obliterated by a Friday. So I appreciate you guys. I love you. Thanks for tuning in. Hopefully you made money with me. 170 viewers I think we had. Hit the like button. I'll see you guys Monday. Appreciate you.